Hello everybody, welcome to Praline's Deliciousness from the World of Art. The events in an artist's life sometimes assume the aspects of an initiatory course that help discover his personal expressive style. This idea proves true of Umberto Mariani, an artist born in 1936 in Milan, where he lives and works. As Achille Funi's favorite student, Mariani collaborates with his professor to realize St. Charles Borromeo Chapel in Sant'Angelo Church in Milan and the altarpiece of St. Joseph in St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican. After dedicating himself for a period of time to exploring Expressionism inspired by Pernecke, Mariani finally confronts himself with pop art, the hallmark of the mainstream culture of the 60s. But he soon understands that things don't work properly. In fact, his early paintings prominently feature objects associated to erotic allusions, such as long gloves or shiny boots, which make us think of an Ellen Jones work. This argument, nonetheless, makes no sense. The titles themselves, such as The Chaste Susanna, La Promenade de Fantomas, instead of telling us the meaning, seem to deliberately take us off the road. We thus find ourselves immersed in the atmosphere more of surrealism than of pop art. But in the end, what stands out is Mariani's deep interest in the forms of textiles. Indeed, in his works, we see the images of gloves and boots, yet have no idea if they serve to glove arms and feet or not. With the passage of time, the images in his paintings become less and less descriptive, to the point that ultimately they represent only a veiled letter of alphabet. Finally, Mariani wants to make a change. Thus, he carries out a thorough research on what he loves: the treatment of the folds of fabric. Why is he so interested in the folds of fabric? Let's reflect on this question. The folds certainly recall draperies. Mariani confesses that he's got a kind of illumination when he discovered that the drapery is the main subject of the art history from Greek times to the present day. Equally important is the fact that the drapery often conceals something: a body, a stage, a piece of furniture to protect it from dust, and so on. The drapery therefore serves the purpose of concealing a subject beneath while evoking its presence. But then we know nothing of the hidden object in Mariani's painting. Sometimes the allusion is clearer, as in the case of an elliptical form that recalls a concealed painting or an even wrapped-up letter. But a single letter, in principle, conveys no meaning at all. And because the paintings are mostly appreciated for their contents, let's focus on draperies. We notice that the material adopted in his painting is not fabric, but is lead. And lead in alchemy is the metal governed by Saturn that represents night and is the opposite of gold. During the Renaissance, people under the influence of Saturn were thought to be reflexive, melancholic, pensive, while those under Jupiter, also called Jove, were thought to be open-minded, expansive, jovial. Lead nurtures unexpressed thoughts, and the fact that lead acts as a veil has confirmed this idea. Aren't sacred things veiled as the monstrance before and after the exhibition? And so, what is celebrated in this unusual, somehow alchemic ceremony, which is Mariani's art? Mariani himself tries to answer this question by quoting Marcel Duchamp's words stated in 1960. I believe that today, more than ever before, the artist has this para-religious mission to keep lit the flame of an inner vision, of which the work of art seems to be the closest translation for the layman. The artist is considered a kind of priest that, through the creation of an artwork, doesn't reveal any truth at all, but evokes a profound inner state which deals with emotions more than with ideas expressed rationally. Over the course of years, Mariani has also employed transparent and light plastic materials with which he covers some printed works on canvas. But this process is illusory too. Not less importantly, Umberto Mariani also excels as sculptor, and his monumental work is present at the Museum of Contemporary Art at Cielo Aperto in Tortoli, Sardinia. The splendid work I'm presenting you is wrapped up in an elegant drapery of mauve color. It represents the classical theme of Mariani, the theme of a veil that both conceals and reveals a mysterious form, which vaguely recalls a fan. The title of this art piece is La Forma Celata, or The Hidden Form. It was realized in 2010. It's made of vinyl color and sand on a thin plate of lead. It was published in the catalogue Le Vesti di Saturno, or The Vestments of Saturn, edited by Giuliano Serafini. The same art critic organized an exhibition in Florence where Umberto Mariani's works were brought face to face with the refined sculpture dresses of Roberto Capucci. Umberto Mariani seems to tell us that we can't get to the truth through the use of language, but through experience. And the artistic experience is what that is most precious to him. I stop here. Thank you for listening. Don't miss the next episode of Pralines, Deliciousness from the World of Art.